To replace the crankshaft pulley on the Jimny, you have to take this screw out. 17mm right hand thread and really tight. This one seems to be fastening with a bit of Loctite or something. We used a big long bar and we stopped the thing turning by putting a suitable implement through one of these holes. It was very tight. You have to take out the radiator and remove the radiator cover. The radiator cover is quite difficult to get off because the captive nuts that go in the bottom just spin. So we've replaced those with new stainless steel ones to make it easier next time. We took the fan off so that we could get the radiator off. So we're just going to replace the captive nuts in the plastic parts of the radiator with stainless steel ones, and then we're going to make them even more captive with a little bit of hot melt glue. Just like that. It's also a good idea to replace the bottom radiator hose clip with an ordinary tube lead clip, because this is difficult to get on and difficult to get off from underneath.